Hi, I am Jeannie Cavillo, and I'm the managing member of Excel Anesthesia. Synergy is our company's response to the rising cost of anesthesia services. It's designed to deliver high-quality care while significantly reducing operating expenses. It's built on the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. In a 6-room ASC with high turnover, this model demonstrated over $370,000 in savings.
I'm Alex Jurens, Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine, part of Excel Anesthesia. Anesthesiologist provides clinical and strategic leadership, ensuring alignment with facility goals and overseeing operations, compliance, and quality.
But Synergy only works with the right team, where everyone has the authority to practice to the full extent of their training with mutual respect for each other's contributions, regardless of degree or title. Instead of forcing a choice between rigid medical direction and limited supervision, Synergy provides real-time flexibility through its scalable structure that adapts to the unique needs of each facility without compromising quality, safety, or cost control.
In the Synergy model, the goal is to have the same number of providers as would be required in a medical direction model. 1 anesthesiologist and 7 CRNAs versus 2 anesthesiologists and 6 CRNAs, and shifting the resources directly to where they are most needed at any given time. This again maximizes patient safety and facility efficiency by directing qualified resources precisely where they are needed in real time.
It's scalable and flexible. There's no waiting for sign-offs, no delays caused by room staffing limits, and no forced bottlenecks in the schedule. And that translates to efficiency and optimized patient flow.
We can staff additional rooms on short notice and utilize all providers to their full capabilities.
CRNAs handle routine cases independently, while anesthesiologists focus on longer procedures.
We have providers at all levels that can perform nerve blocks for both surgical anesthesia and postoperative pain control. We integrate seamlessly into each facility from patient arrival to discharge, supporting efficient workflows and clear communication in all directions.
Probably the most common questions we get asked by surgeons is, how liable are we when working with non-medically directed CRNAs? In reality, surgeons are liable only to the extent that they exerted control over the anesthetic. And the same is true regardless of who is performing the anesthesia. In Kansas, there's an additional layer of legal protection built directly into state law, which specifically prohibits vicarious liability between 2 providers when both are covered under the Healthcare Stabilization Fund.
If a complication occurs and the anesthesiologist is engaged, another experienced provider steps in immediately, ensuring safety and minimizing disruption.
It takes people working on equal footing with aligned goals and a shared willingness to show up. And when you have highly skilled providers who can work both independently and collaboratively, you eliminate redundancy, optimize staff utilization, and unlock true operational efficiency. And that is exactly what the Synergy model is designed to do. When you see that happening, it's truly a beautiful thing.